Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial on how to build a chatbot by integrating large language model with Streamlit. So firstly, we will see what is Ollama and Streamlit and then setting up our environment for building a chatbot. Then we will create a chatbot step by step and then finally running a chatbot on a local machine. So firstly, we'll see what is Ollama. So Ollama is a tool that allows users to run open source large language models locally on their machines. It supports a wide range of models such as Llama 3, Gamma, Mistral, and other open source options. With its straightforward API, Ollamas facilitate the creation, execution, and management of language models. It is designed for its simplicity and flexibility and makes running the LLM on a local setup easy and efficient. Now we will see what is Streamlit. Streamlit is an open source library for building a web application using Python. It is tailored for data science and machine learning, and it's ideal for creating interactive dashboards and applications, including chatbots. That's why we are using Streamlit today. And Streamlit enable users to easily share this application with others, offering a simple and effective way to showcase data and models. So let's get started. To download Ollama, visit the Ollama GitHub page as shown on the screen and download Ollama appropriate to your operating system. And then run the installer to execute the Ollama setup.exe file and follow the prompt to complete the installation. After installing Ollama, we will install all the required dependency and in our virtual environment. To set up the virtual environment, open a terminal and go to your project directory. Create a virtual environment using command shown in the screen, and then we will activate the virtual environment by running this command. Once the environment is activated, it will appear before the directory path like this. Now open the project directory in the VS Code and create a requirements.txt file by mentioning all the required dependencies like Streamlit, PyPDF2, and Ollama. And then we will be using this requirements.txt file to install all this dependency in one go by running this command pip install -r requirements.txt. We will be using PyPDF2 for uploading the PDF or text files to our chatbot. Firstly, make sure your virtual environment is activated once you are running this requirements.txt. Now we are done with the setup. Let's start building our chatbot. We will develop a simple chatbot that leverage the strength of large language model, understanding and processing natural language queries. And we will choose a use case in the tech career guidance domain. You can choose any other domain you may like. So first and foremost, let's import Streamlit, which will be used to create a web app, and then PyPDF2. It will be a library to work with the PDF files, and Ollama to interact with the Ollama language model. And then we will set the title of our web app, which is a Tech Guru Career Guidance Expert. Now we will initialize session state for 3 parameters: conversation history, that is message, resume analysis, and a flag to check if the resume is uploaded or not. So first line, if the message not in the st.session state. So this line checks the key message is already present in the session state or not. If the message is not found, then the session state will initialize it with a default value. The default value is a list containing one dictionary, assistant, initial, and its initial message, how can I assist you with your career today? And then in the next line, if the resume analysis is not in the session state, then it will initialize it with the empty string. And in the third line, we are checking that if the resume is not uploaded, then its value will be the false. Reason behind to use this flag to indicate whether a resume has been uploaded or not. Initially, it is set to false, meaning no resume has been uploaded yet. This helps to control the flow of the application, preventing the unnecessary reprocessing of the resume if it has been already been uploaded. So now we will be seeing how to upload a resume and do its analysis. So firstly, this st.file uploader will provide a file uploader widget for users to upload the resume in the PDF or a text format. Then we will check if the file is uploaded and resume has not been processed. Before that, it will firstly see if the file is in PDF format or text. If it is a PDF format, then PyPDF will use is PyPDF will be used to extract the text from the PDF, or if there is a text file, then it will read text directly from the text file. Then we will update the session state with the extracted resume, and marks the resume as uploaded by setting the value as true. Also, we will add a message to a conversation history as thank you for uploading your resume. I will analyze it and provide feedback shortly. Then we will analyze the resume using the Ollama Schema 2B model, and you can use any other model you like. And then we will send the resume text for analysis and adds the analysis response to the conversation history. To display chat history, it iterates over through the conversation history and displays each message with an appropriate avatars for the users and assistant. Here we define a function generate response to generate a response to to the user queries by taking a prompt as input. A prompt can be a question or a statement provided by the user, and then it checks if the query is related to the career guidance. Using a list of career keywords such as career, job, resume, CV, interview, salary, etc. It will check if the given prompt is related to these keywords or not, and then only it will generate a response. So the prompt engineering pattern used in this prompt with the context variable is a persona pattern, so such that if the prompt is relevant to the career keyword or not. So once if it checks the condition that the prompt is related to the career keywords, then the model is queried with this context-rich prompt, ensuring the response is detailed and helpful for career guidance, and generates a response. If not, if not relevant to this career keywords, then it will return a default message indicating the type of assistance provided. Also, a loading spinner is displayed uh, while the response is being generated to inform the user that the system is processing their query. Now coming to the last part, to handle user input and generating the response. So st.chat input will provide an input field for user to ask a question. If a question is asked, it adds the question to the conversation and displays it, and then generates a response using the generate response function as shown in the step 6 here. And it will adds the response to the conversation history. Now let's run our chatbot. Firstly, open a command prompt and start running Ollama server using the command Ollama serve. Then open a new terminal or command prompt in your VS Code and or in the location of your project directory, and activate your virtual environment using this command. And then you can run your Python app using the command streamlit run checkguru.py. Now your app is running on this localhost 8510, and it will start automatically your app in your browser. Let me show you. So our chatbot is started on this localhost 8510, and here you can see this PDF uploader and also the question, how can I assist you with your career today? So now you can ask anything about your career, job search, or LinkedIn optimization. So I'm just writing firstly the hi, and it has generated a response. I'm here to assist with the career guidance, job search, LinkedIn optimization, and related topics. Please ask a relevant question about your career or job search. Now, I will ask, tell me 5 career tips. It will take a while to generate a response. And as we have uploaded a spinner, like I have written the code for the spinner, so that's why we are able to see this generating response. Now it has generated the response, 5 career tips for success. Now let's upload a resume. You can see resume has been uploaded, and it will analyze it and provide the feedback shortly. Once the resume has been analyzed, it will provide the analysis of your resume. And I can ask further questions like what are the key strength and weakness in my resume. So it will generate a appropriate response to it. Now you have seen that you can interact with your chatbot by asking a question related to your career guidance, job search, or any other questions relevant to your career. Also, you can upload a resume and a text file to get an analysis, as we see already. And you can ask further questions based on your resume. For example, what are the key strengths in my resume? What are the weaknesses, and how I can improve my resume? Thank you for watching.